Hi everyone and welcome to this video on how journalists decide what to write about. So how do journalists find stories? Journalists find stories in a variety of ways. Some of the most common ways are news tips, press releases, social media, beat reporting, and enterprise reporting. So journalists often receive news tips from sources such as government officials, police officers, and members of the public. Press releases are written by public relations professionals and sent to journalists in order to promote a product, service, or an event. Journalists also monitor social media for potential news stories. Beat reporters cover a specific area or topic such as education, crime, or politics. They regularly talk to sources in their beat to find story ideas. Enterprise reporters investigate and uncover news stories. They may spend weeks or even months researching a story before they can publish it. When a journalist is choosing a topic, they need to think about certain things. Choose a topic that you are passionate about. This will make the writing process more enjoyable and your enthusiasm will come through in your writing. Do some research to see if your topic is newsworthy. Is it important and timely? Will people be interested in reading about it? Also consider your audience. What types of stories are they interested in? Think about your own resources. Do you have the time and skills to write a story on this topic? A topic is a subject or an issue. For a journalist, a topic means a big subject like the environment or technology. To make your topic smaller and turn it into an idea to write a story on, you can narrow it down by considering what specific type of technology or environment are you interested in? Where is this happening? When is this happening? So for example, if you're interested in the topic of health, you could narrow it down to what type of health are you talking about? Maybe it's mental health. What place are you referring to? Maybe your city. What time are you referring to? So maybe the time right now. This gives you a specific idea for an article, how people in your city are coping up with mental health challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic. So choosing a topic is a difficult and an important task for journalists. They need to consider a number of factors including newsworthiness, their audience, and their resources.